Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Patel. I am from India. This is my CS50 2023's final project. It is a budget management program. Let me walk you through it. So first, when we run the program, we have to select the currency. Then we need to input the budget amount. Now we can see the list of all the available operations we can perform, like adding, updating and deleting all the incomes and expenses. Let me add some. Now we can view the summary of the incomes and expenses. And we can also view the list of all the incomes and expenses. Now when we exit the program, we can also see the statement of incomes and expenses. Thank you.